Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning about chicken and rabbit questions. Well, chicken and rabbit questions are a type of questions that is a must learn for every of us. So, let's without further ado, let's go into it. So, chicken rabbit questions are like these type of questions. So, it might not consider chicken and rabbit question, chicken and rabbits inside the question, but it's a type of questions. So let's read the question. Farmer has 20 chicken and rabbits. He counted a total of 60 legs. How many chickens are there? So, all right, let's list down what we know and what we don't. So, we know total animals equals 20. All right. And we also know that total legs equals to 60. All right. So is this all we know? Well, there's something else we will know. We know that chickens have 2 legs and rabbits have 4 legs. All right. So if we know all these, how are we going to solve the question? All right. So let's go into it. So method 1 for solving is guess and check. So these things will be at the side to help us. So guess and check basically means guessing a number and checking if it's correct. So let's say there are 8 chickens. So the leg count for chickens will be 8 times 2 equals 16. So the leg count is 16. And for rabbits, since there is 20 total animals equals to 20, and there are 8 chickens, so rabbits will equals to 12. So 12 times 4, rabbits have 4 legs. 12 times 4 equals 48. So the total leg count will be 16 plus 48, giving us the number 64. So check basically means if it is equals to the actual answer. Well, no, so no. All right, so we know, but it's quite close, isn't it? 64 and 60 is quite close. So we need less rabbits as this is way more, a bit more. So let's try, say, 9 chickens. So therefore, 9 times 2 equals 18. Rabbits will have 11. 11 times 4, giving us 44. Total leg count, 18 plus 44 will give us 62. Well, it's closer, but it's not yet there. So no. Now, for the next one, chickens, let's just increase by 1. See. Then 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 rabbits, 20 minus 10 equals 10. 10 times 4 equals 40. All right, total leg count. So 20 plus 40 will give us 60. So it's correct. So yes, hooray, we got the answer. So basically, chicken and rabbit questions can be solved using two methods. One, guess and check. And next, let me clear all drawing. So next, we have the assumption method. So basically, what assumption method means, we assume. So assume all animals were chickens, all right? Assume they were all chickens. So what will the leg count be? The leg count will therefore be 20 animals multiplied by 2 legs equals to 40 legs. Next, difference from actual leg count. What we know is that the actual leg count that was provided in the question is actually 60. So difference will be 60 minus 20 minus 40 equals 20. All right. So after that, difference of rabbit's legs and chicken's legs. So we're talking about one chicken and one rabbit. So we all know that the difference will be the rabbit's legs 4 minus 2, the chicken's leg equals 2 legs. So the difference is legs, 2. All right. So after knowing this, what now? Well, here is the magic. So we know that the difference is 20. And the difference of rabbit's legs and chicken legs is 2. So when we replace one chicken with one rabbit, we'll plus 2 legs. Am I right? So, for example, now there were one rabbit and 19 chickens. Okay, so the leg count will be 19 times 2 equals 38 plus 4, giving us 42. See, it is 2 more than 40. So now we need 20 more to get 60. So therefore, I think we all know that it will be 20 divided by 2, giving us 10. Therefore, there will be 10 rabbits. The question asks for chickens. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. All right. So now we know the answer. It's 10 chickens. Well, let's go back to the question for a while. All right. So for any type of chicken and rabbit questions, there is one thing to keep in mind. All right. So everyone, there are two methods to solve it. I don't know which you prefer. Both of them are okay. For guess and check, we'll just have to guess smartly, proportionate to the difference. Just guess. All right. So actually, I myself prefer the assumption method because it is a straightaway answer without guessing. But both of the methods basically work the same. So, all right. Here is the two methods to solve chicken and rabbit questions easily. Thank you, everyone.